Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. This is Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana, inside the 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 2930 RL. Today, a quick walkthrough demonstration of this incredible unit.
So taking a look here on the outside of our unit, this is the Solitude S-Class, so they build these to be a little bit lighter. Unloaded vehicle weight on these guys is coming in at 11,800 pounds, makes it a little more tow friendly, but you don't miss out on any of the Solitude luxury packages. You'll see here we still have our high gloss on the fiberglass, full fiberglass front cap, and 4-point leveling on this unit. So taking a look here on the inside of our Solitude, we've got a great seating area for you and all the family. Of course, we have our Thomas Paine Collection theater seating, heated in vibrating chairs, and a big seating area on this side here. So, and this is actually a tri-fold sofa. So lots of extra sleeping area if you need. And got a great view of our entertainment center here. Fireplace underneath, big flat screen TV with the Roku already built in. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is our huge kitchen island here. Lots of counter space, even next to your stove here. We've got a 3-burner and your residential stove. So popping over to our fridge, this is a 12 cubic foot fridge. So you've got plenty of space to fit all the goodies for you and your family. And then can't have a 12 cubic foot fridge without a nice pantry to come with it. So they do a really great job of making sure you have all the storage that you need for the weekend. Stepping into our master bathroom here, one thing I like about this space is our pocket door. Saves a lot of space for you. It makes for some easy access into your bathroom. Of course, we have our porcelain toilet, really big shower, some space for all of your towels, anything else you might need in your bathroom. And they actually put the sink in your slide, so your wardrobe slide is also where your sink and toiletries are going to be at. So lots of extra room here in your bathroom. Now, popping over to our bedroom, we've got a queen bed, we've got a glass window in our fiberglass front cap. It makes great for the evenings when you're getting ready to settle down, and then lots of extra space, like I was saying, in that wardrobe slide. So drawers underneath and some extra space for hanging up clothes in your closet. Lots of extra room.
Well, that's a quick look at this 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-Class. For more information on this unit and others here at Brett's RV, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.